these done at a barbershop before?
Oh, me?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, no.
No?
Yeah, no.
Tight up your mustache like this. There you go.